Hello world, it's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is your daily update for Bitcoin today. Also a special video. Today we will check a little bit, not too long, 6 minutes only, but you need to know these things, guys. Let's start this analysis now. System activated. So we are watching here the line chart. What can we see here? Guys, that's a big picture. That's a big picture that's in my head since long time. You can see we have a bearish divergence. The Bitcoin price is going up with this red line and the RSI is going down. The relative strength index is going down. That's a bearish divergence. And I had this thing in my mind since long time. And the big thing is now, guys, look at this. We are so high with the RSI for the moment, but the price is really low. So we have a little space to the upside. We can go up a little bit more, but after this, we have a big resistance if you're watching the RSI on the downside on the 1-day time frame. This is a really big picture, in my opinion. We are building a sideways going rising wedge, and after this we can see, yes, maybe we will going down here to the red line again. Maybe we'll go down here to 30,000. That's this red line here to the downside, and that's also a big support line. That's the Fibonacci 0.618, and after this the 0.66, and all these lines are here on the price about 30,000. That's the next big thing. So guys, if we are going in a little bit, if we are zooming in a little bit more in this chart, what can we see? I have there a red line. Let me show you this red line. So this red line is here on the 1 hour time frame. If you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see this red line has a price about 45,400, 45,500. Why is there a big resistance? If you're zooming out a little bit more, you can see it, guys. Here on the left side, we saw a lot of spikes here on this line on 45,500. So in my opinion, this is a big resistance now. And yes, I know it. We are growing really fast. I know it. We are mooning for the moment. Look at this. Really nice. But I think we will need a big fight here with this resistance, or we will see a big fight with this resistance. And after this, maybe we see a rejection to the downside. Remember, 0.382 for Fibonacci line, the price about 43,500 is the support. You can see it here. And big resistance, 45,500. So we are fighting between both of these lines, and that's a big thing for the moment for Bitcoin, in my opinion. Look at these two big candles. Amazing, guys. What else can we see? First of all, we have here higher lows. That's good. We had here a low about 42,600. Here we had a low about 43,119, and here we had a low about 43,200. That's really good. We are building higher lows. As long as we are building higher lows, everything is okay. If we will see a spike under 43,200, we may have a problem. We need to watch this. Now we are building a big candle to the upside, and yes, you can see we are really close to our next big resistance line. Maybe we are building a double top. We will see. Okay, on the downside, you can see RSI. The RSI was overbought. And yes, here on my live stream, I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Bitcoin Trading Information is the name. Look at this. We are booming here up for the moment. We are mooning for the moment. But you also can see the big resistance line, the fat red one, is here. So we need to move on, guys. Here is Bitcoin. And this is a big thing. What I would like to show you, these are the candlestick patterns, guys. Look at this, the daily time frame. For about 2 days, we made this one here. This bearish pattern, a doji star, a bearish reversal with a medium reliability that we may go down here. February the 8th, and we saw this one. And yes, for the moment, we are going up more and more. But we saw this pattern, remember this one, for about 2 days. And yes, we are building a rising wedge here on the 1 hour time frame. We are still, guys, sorry, that's the daily time frame. We are still in a death cross zone. Don't forget this. Forget it. We are over the green line. That's a nice support. We are under resistance, but we are still in a death cross zone if we're watching the daily time frame. Okay, let's check the Ichimoku on the daily time frame. It's not so important, but on the 4 hour time frame, what can we see? You can see we are still over the blue line, and that's a big thing. We need to stay over the blue line. The important stuff is we need to stay with the red one. That's this one here. We saw a perfect spike for the Ichimoku. Guys, if you are trading, watch the Ichimoku. You can see it's fitting so perfect. This spike to the downside was really perfect to the Ichimoku line, the 26 length line here. And yes, really nice. This is working really nice, guys, if you are trading. And you can see also this green golden cross is here. Everything is okay. But the big resistance, that's making me a little bit nervous here. Okay. If we are checking the next thing here, let's remove this one here. You can see we are maybe building on the 1 hour time frame now a double top. and that's maybe M pattern. Maybe we are going down to the start point of the M pattern, 41,400. That's also a possible thing, guys. Keep this in our mind. If we are going down, if we see a rejection here from here, it's maybe possible to see an M pattern and go down again. And look at the green and the red line on the 1 hour time frame. This is the yes, golden cross here for the moment. So guys, that's the short update for today. Really short, 5 minutes only, but this is important for me to tell you guys. Big resistance now on the upside. Watch these points now. If we can break the resistance up, if we can break this rising wedge to the upside, yes, of course, let's go to the moon. But we need to fight this resistance, and that's a big thing for the day, for the moment. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti. Trading information, very important. That's not